In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a size chart on Shopify. We'll start right from the beginning. Open your browser and go to shopify.com. On the homepage, look for the login button and click it. Sign into your store using your preferred method, whether that's your email and password or one of the available sign-in options. Once you're in, you'll be on the Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand panel of the admin, find Online Store and select it. This opens the area where you manage your theme. In the theme section, locate your current theme and click the option to edit the theme. Depending on your theme, this may be labeled Edit or Customize. This takes you into the theme editor where you can add content and see a live preview as you work. Inside the theme editor, look for the control to add a section and click Add Section. Where you place this section is up to you and depends on where you want the size chart to appear. Many stores put it near product information or below the main content to keep it easy to find without overwhelming the page. Next, choose a section type that can display your chart. Common choices include rich text, custom content, or an HTML block. The exact names vary by theme, but any of these will let you place either an image or a small snippet of code on the page. Now insert your size chart. If your size chart is an image, upload it directly in the section. Use a clear, high contrast image and add descriptive alt text so it's accessible and easy to understand. Keep file size reasonable so the page loads quickly. If your size chart is a table, switch to an HTML or custom code block and paste in a simple HTML table. Include clear headers like size, bust, waist, and hips, and specify units such as inches or centimeters. Keep the layout clean and avoid overly wide tables so it reads well on mobile. After placing your image or table, review the section settings, adjust the heading, alignment, and spacing so the chart looks consistent with your store's design. If the theme offers visibility or page assignment options, make sure the section is enabled where you want it to show. When you're satisfied, click Save. That's it. You've added a size chart to your Shopify site, giving shoppers the guidance they need to choose the right fit and reducing returns at the same time.